This presentation will provide a brief walkthrough of the dashboards that give users visualizations representing the measures to improve the quality of care. Charts and graphs are presented to users via SharePoint dashboards, which display information specific to each user's role and access level. There are three main roles with different access levels. Providers are clinicians and nurses who can only see patients in his or her care. Facility directors have access to reports for all providers in the facility. And regional directors, with access to reporting of all providers from the facilities in their region. Each dashboard provides the users with the most appropriate level of abstraction, with the ability to drill down into the data when encountering interesting trends. The facility director is able to see the metrics for each provider in the facility. Roll-up displays give a quick overview of each provider and each metric, allowing the director to see a general picture of the facility. The time ranges in these graphs are for monthly reporting. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, for each provider can also be seen by the facility director. KPI goals can be configured differently for each provider and for each metric. Alerts and announcements set out on a calendar lets providers know reports are available or other updates have occurred. One step above the facility director is a regional director, who has access to an overview of all facilities in the region. The regional director can look at each metric and see a comparison between facilities, providing a simple way to find facilities with interesting data points. KPIs for each metric at each facility are also available to the regional director. Finally, providers also have access to viewing the metrics in relation to patients under their care. Providers are given access to only their reports. Key performance indicators show what areas may need more attention. The list of the patients and their values for the metric are also accessible to only the provider. A feedback form helps turn quality measurements into a two-way process. This allows clinicians to note where goals may not take into account differences in patients and make updates to their lists. Metrics for quality measures can always be improved on themselves.